Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am planning to do a bronzy glowy makeup look, because why not? It's summer, even though outside in here it's freezing cold, and I don't know if we'll get any summer this year, honestly, because it's so cold that I really needed to put my hot water bottle in my lap so I can get a tiny bit warmer. So I have laid in front of me a bunch of drugstore affordable products, and that's all I am going to use on my face today. So if you want to see the look I'm coming up with, please go ahead and keep on watching. To start this makeup look, I am going to prime my skin first, and for that I'm using this Revolution Ultra Shine Balm, and it looks like this. I'm just going to take that with my finger and apply it mostly on my T-zone. Now, to get that glowy skin and that bronzy goddess effect, I am going to take this Revolution Jelly Highlighter in Monumental, and I am going to apply that all over my face. Just to give my skin a tiny bit of glow before I apply my foundation. For foundation, as usual, I'm going to use this Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, dot it all over my face, and then blend it with my beauty sponge. For concealer, again, as usual, I'm going to use the Catrice Liquid Camouflage in Light Natural, and I'm going to apply that in the usual spots and then blend it out with my beauty sponge. And next, before I set my concealer and the rest of my face, I am going to take more of that jelly highlighter, but this time I'm only going to apply it on the places I want to highlight. For powder, I'm going to go with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. And I am going to set my under eyes and around my nose, tiny bit on my forehead. Next, to contour my face a little bit and to bronze my skin, I have two products. The first one, it's a CYO bronzing powder in the shade Medium, When the Sun Don't Shine, and the Revolution Baked Bronzer in Baked Bronzer. I'm going to start with this one first, and I'm going to shape my face a tiny bit. And then I'm going with the Revolution one and the fluffy brush, and bronze my skin a little bit. And give it that glow. For highlights, I am going to use a very old highlight. It's even broken, and it's the 17 Shimmer Brick Instant Glow, and I'm not sure if it has a shade. gold bronze, actually it's the shade, and it's this one in here. And I'm going to take that with my highlighting brush that I can find. I'm going to take with this brush and apply it on top of the cream highlighter. Next, for blush, I am going to use this e.l.f. blush in Mellow Mauve, and it looks like this. For my brows, I am going to use these two. It's the Bourjois Sourcil Precision eyebrow pencil in Brune Brunette, and for eyebrow gel I'm going to use the Essence Make Me Brow, and it's in brownie brows. So now that I have my eyebrows on, I am going to move on to eyeshadow, and I do have an eyeshadow palette in here. It's the Reloaded palette from Makeup Revolution, and it looks like this. It does have some nice shades in here, but what I want to do is take the bronzer, the baked bronzer I used on my face, with a blending brush and apply that in my crease, because I do want my eyes to be glowy as well. Why not? And I don't want anything too complicated on my eyes, just a tiny bit of shadow to add some glow and to open my eyes, to give me that fresh, I woke up like this eyes, you know. For my lid color, I'm going to take a flat brush, and from the Revolution Reloaded palette I'm going to take this shade in here. It's a really glowy champagne shade, and I am going to put that on my lid. And also use it as a highlighter for my inner corners and my brow bone. Ooh, that's pretty. And for my lower lashes, again I'm going to go with the bronzer and just blend it on my lower lash line. Nothing too complicated. Now I wish I had a brown eyeliner, but I don't. So what I'm going to do is take this Reloaded palette and use this brown shade in here with an angled brush and use that as an eyeliner and put it just close to my lashes. Next I'm going to give my lashes a curl and apply some mascara, and I don't know if I want to apply false lashes. I have these false lashes from Catrice, but no, I will not apply false lashes. I will just leave my eyes nice and bare with only mascara. And last but not least, for my makeup look, I am going to do my lips, and for that I have 3 products. First is a multiple lip liner from I Love Revolution. Next I have an Avon lipstick and a Revolution lip balm. Lip gloss, sorry. Yeah, lip gloss. So the shade I'm going to use, it's the lightest shade in this lip liner pen, and I am going to line my lips. And for lipstick I'm going with this Avon lipstick in the shade Au Naturel, and this is the shade, and I am applying that all over my lips. And because this is a very matte lipstick, I'm going to go with this Revolution lip gloss just on top of it. And last but not least, I am going to use some of the Revolution fixing spray, and we are done. So here is the finished result. I really enjoyed creating this look. It's really nice, warm and glowy, and nothing like the weather outside, but yeah, you can always have fun with makeup and enjoy creating something. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!